Hello and welcome to another episode of Shop Happenings. Today I want to show you an introductory project that I do with my freshman drafting class. The class is called Design and Drawing for Production, or DDP. We do a little bit of machining in there and a little bit of precision measurement, as well as some design. This is a real quick win without Mastercam. What this is a cutting board. We make this out of about 5/8 inch thick HDPE plastic. It was donated by Encodima 3D. Thank you, Encodima. That was just an amazing gift that you gave us. And for years, we've been using these, and we have enough to probably do this project for another 5 to 8 years. What a great opportunity for young people to start machining plastic. What this student did is this was sent to me by a student. I asked him to do that. We videotaped it. I'll show you what it looks like. But what I asked my students to do is we start out with this blank board. I'll shut that off. Once that blank board is there, they add text. And what's nice about Mastercam is I start showing them how these levels work, and it makes life real easy for us. But you can see I turn off the text that he put in. I can turn off the dimensions that he put in. One of the specifications I have is you have to have plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch on your centering of your text. So what my students have to do is use transform, translate, and move the text around and get it where they want it. I don't specify, other than the first time they do it, I don't specify the size of the letter or the spacing. It's something they play with. What they inherit when I give them this file is they inherit in the operations manager the machine. They also inherit all of the parameters needed to make this. So all they have to do once they get this centered is hit geometry and then right click in this window and add, and they can get their geometry to come in. So this is a real quick and down and dirty, about 1 week long project that students get an introduction to Mastercam. It's a very low impact introduction. I don't want to overwhelm them. We'll do more projects throughout the year, but this is the first one we do, and I call it a quick win. It's something that we do that goes quickly, that gives them a really good output and a really good outcome, and I'm pleased with how it turns out. I'll show you a little bit more as we go. So once my students have gone through the process of placing their letters, using the levels to do that, to keep things separated, we hit verify in Mastercam. This is a great chance for the student to make sure that things are going correctly. In verify, as you can see, if we hit play, you'll see that we machine the letters out. Verify is really handy for us to see that, hey, we missed something, or that doesn't look right, or we can go back and tweak it. Also, we leave the lines on just to make sure that we've actually hit all the lines. Sometimes we shut those off to see what the design actually looks like. But as you can see, the router bit is traveling along the board, and it makes it a really cool piece. So stay with us a little longer. You're going to see it being machined.